Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Boom City Breaks on Saturday, the September the 2nd. Tonight we are breaking autographed football jerseys. This here is a 4-box break. It is 2 of the Gold Rush autographed football jerseys from 2017. That's from a fresh case, and it is 2 of the Hit Parade autographed football jerseys from Series 31. That would be box 58 of 100 and box 13 of 100 right there. We did random team sales for this break. You can see in the far left. We have already randomized the customers and the teams. We then alphabetized the customers so everybody could see who they had a bit easier. Gave them a whole bunches of time to trade, and here we go. Pop, pop of your seals. Going to break our first box. We're going to go 1 and 1, then 1 and 1. Oh, I love this jersey, and somebody going to be very, very, very mad because they traded away a beautiful Raider Nation hit in Bo Jackson, folks. Mr. Bo Jackson does a sweet, sweet sig. Has both the JSA and the Bo Jackson holograms, guys. Does a really outstanding sig. Love the white versions. Once again, she is a custom, but she's a wonderful custom. A very nice hit in Mr. Bo Jackson. So that is, yeah, I'm sorry, but that's one of the reasons I never change. So who is that going to, Dal? Is that going to you, or is that going to Veneto? All right, it is going to Veneto. So there you go. So there we go. All right, we're moving on to box 58. One of the best numbers out there, folks. Hopefully HP treats us really nice here. So, guys, I like me some Gold Rush, man. Let's see what HP gonna give us. Well, not a bad hit. I do believe that's the other one. Another traded team, folks. Man, that they're going to be T.Y. Hilton. She is a custom. Has the Dave and Adams JSA. Don't know why they don't include both tags in there. But that has the Indianapolis Colts. So that was another traded team, folks. That's going to be a motion hit. Alright, y'all, we're going to load up our next 2 boxes. Y'all can see box 13 and our Gold Rush. Alright, let's see what we're going to get out of Gold Rush. Once again, this was a fresh case, so this is box number 2 in that case, I guess you'd say. It's the second one we're opening out of that, baby. We hit Bo Jackson. Pop, pop of your that's going to be our Steeler hit, folks, and not another bad hit either, man. That is Mr. Antonio Brown. One of the top receivers in the game today, and that there is obviously one of the honeybees. Really, really, really nice. JSA. That is not too bad hits, guys. You know, you guys all, yeah, not bad hits out of our first 2 boxes of Gold Rush there, folks. Who has Pitt? Who has Pitt? Brother Craig. Marker the damn works. That's why I asked. Yeah, that's why I asked, bud. Yeah, I'll fix it in a second. I asked who it went to. Yeah, and you didn't answer, so I wrote Venetu. So, you know, I asked you. Yeah, I asked who it went to, so I'll fix that in 1 second. Ooh. Wow, 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 guys, that there is going to be a licensed Gronkowski, folks. That is a nasty hit, guys. That is a nasty friggin' break for you guys. First break out of the night, man. You got Antonio Brown, Bo Jackson, and a licensed Rob Gronkowski with a Steiner certificate. Licensed Gronkowski, folks. Really silk screen. This is the silk screened version, folks. Has the Steiner hologram on it and such, man. Has the Steiner card. Does not have the numbers on that card, so I'm going to say that card is... But it does have the Steiner hologram. Beautiful, beautiful, nasty, nasty friggin' break for you guys, man. That was a wonderful 4-boxer, if you ask me. And that is going to be a Mr. B. Chase hit, folks. How the hell do you like that, man? That is not a bad break for you guys. Let's see if we can keep it going. Really nasty hit. You guys want to break stuff like this or get into action like this, you got to stop on by breakers.tv, YouTube, or Twitch at Boom City Breaks, starting at 8 Central, 7 nights a week. So that's where you're going to find me, the great Gatsby Government Cheese, breaking all forms of memorabilia late into the night. You all have a good one.